Cari run here at Birdmish Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. I'm going to do a quick video walk around for you on the 2012 Silverado 2500 HD LTZ. Price $27,988. Okay. Driver door here, get out of the wind. Okay, memory seats, power fold mirrors. Okay. Leather buckets. 112,000 miles. Bose sound system, backup camera, navigation. Okay, Bluetooth. Okay. Back seat here. Put the seat up for you. Real clean truck for the year. You know, from talking to Brittany, you want to know if there was any rust. I can tell you there's some surface here, just starting on the inner wheel wells, which could easily be taken care of. Okay. So the box here for you. Does have the reducer in there for the hitch for you as well. Okay. Again, 2012 2500 HD LTZ. Gas, $27,988. Any questions? My name is Ron here at Birdmish Chevrolet. Thank you.